Hello everyone, I am Shobhita. I am sure you are watching my videos on Shobhita Talks. Please like them and subscribe to my channel. If you have not done it yet, please do it. As I told you earlier also that these videos are very beneficial for learners of English language as well as for students of all age groups and of course for the teachers as a quick revision of their grammar lessons. And the most important, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications for my upcoming videos. Before I begin this video, I want to speak about how to improve your handwriting. I told you in my previous videos also that start using ink pens because they are very beneficial for improving your handwriting as they give a smooth flow to your writing. And the tip is that buy cursive handwriting books to practice your writing. First, you begin with these small and capital letters, cursive handwriting book for small letters. First, practice the small and capital cursive letters. Then, 3-letter words you practice, and then you practice the complete sentence. And remember to use a pencil to write so that you can erase and rewrite, because handwriting can improve only with practice and lots of practice. So we start our video for today, and my topic is tenses. My first question, what are tenses? Tenses are very important part of English language. If you understand them well, then you will have no problem in your spoken and written English. They form the very base of English language. So tenses tell us how an action relates to the flow of time. There are 3 main tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. A verb that refers to the present is said to be in the present tense, as I write, I love. A verb that refers to the past time is said to be in the past tense, as I wrote, I loved. A verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense, as I shall write, I shall love. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. I repeat, the tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. So first we take present tense. I'll speak out the 4 states of action of present tense. Just listen to them very carefully. My first sentence, I write, is simple present tense. Why it is simple present tense? Because the verb in this sentence shows that the action has been mentioned simply, without being said about the completeness or incompleteness of the action. So my sentence number 2, I am writing, present continuous. Why present continuous? Because the verb shows that the action mentioned as incomplete or continuous, that is still going on. Now my third sentence, I have written, present perfect, because it shows that the action mentioned is finished, complete or perfect at the time of speaking. Now the fourth sentence, I have been writing. This is present perfect continuous. So the tense of the verb in this sentence is said to be present perfect continuous, because the verb shows that the action is going on continuously and not completed at this present moment. So there are 4 states of action: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. So these are the four states of action of present tense. And similarly, past tense has also got the same four states of action. I wrote, simple past. I was writing, past continuous. I had written, past perfect continuous, past perfect. And the fourth one, I had been writing, past perfect continuous tense. Similarly, future tense also has got the same four states of action. I shall, oblique, will write. This is simple future tense. I shall, oblique, will be writing. Future continuous. I shall, oblique, will have written. Future perfect. I shall, oblique, will have been writing. Future perfect continuous. So same way, all the three tenses have got four states of action. What are they? Simple, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. I hope all of you have understood the three tenses. What are they? Present tense, past tense, and future tense. What are tenses? Tenses tell us how an action relates to the flow of time. What happens now is the present tense. What had happened is the past tense, and what will happen is the future tense. And I hope you have understood what is simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous, and in the same way, past and future tenses. If you have not, please put it in the comment section so that I can do it in my next video. Stay connected to learn more, because these lessons are very useful. And be safe, keep yourself protected, enjoy your time at home and study also. Have a nice time. Bye.